Namaskar. July 17th, 2020. Summary of the Assam Tribune. Number 1. Top 5 tea exporter. The top 5 countries that exported the highest dollar value worth of tea during 2019 are number 1. China, number 2. India, number 3. Sri Lanka, number 4. Kenya, number 5. Poland. Number 2. Insolvency. Insolvency is a situation where individuals or companies are unable to repay their outstanding debt. Bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is a legal declaration of one's inability to pay off debts. It is a situation whereby a court has declared a person or company insolvent. Number 3. National Company Law Tribunal. NCLT is a quasi-judicial body adjudicating issues concerning companies. It was formed on June 1st, 2016, and it is based on the recommendations of Justice Iradi Committee, which is related to insolvency and winding up of companies. National Company Law Appellate Tribunal is responsible for hearing appeals from the orders of National Company Law Tribunal. Number 4. Epidemic Diseases Act 1897. It was introduced by the British to tackle the epidemic of bubonic plague that broke out in the then state of Bombay. The law is meant for containment of epidemics by providing special powers. Under the Act, temporary provisions or regulations can be made to be observed by the public to tackle or prevent the outbreak of a disease. Number 5. Legacy Data (NRC). The documents, namely 1951 National Register of Citizens (NRC) and electoral rolls up to midnight of 24th March 1971 are collectively called as the legacy data. They are available at NRC Seva Kendra, notified polling stations, and NRC website. Number 6. National Register of Citizens (NRC). It is a register containing names of all genuine Indian citizens. NRC was first introduced after the 1951 census of India, and at present only Assam has such a register. The NRC will be updated as per the provisions of the Citizenship Act 1955 and the Citizenship, Registration of Citizens and Issue of National Identity Cards Rules 2003. Number 7. Section 188 IPC. Indian Penal Code IPC. Section 188 deals with those disobeying any order lawfully passed by a public servant. It provides for about 1 to 6 months of imprisonment. For those violating orders passed under the Epidemic Diseases Act, it is the provision under which punishment is awarded. Number 8. Line of actual control. It is the demarcation that separates Indian controlled territory from Chinese controlled territory. India considers the LAC to be 3,488 km long, while the Chinese consider it to be around 2,000 km. It is divided into 3 sectors: the eastern sector, Arunachal and Sikkim; the middle sector, Uttarakhand and Himachal; and the western sector, Ladakh. Number 9. Convalescent plasma therapy. It aims at using antibodies from the blood of a recovered COVID-19 patient to treat those critically affected by the virus. This theory's concept is based on the premise that the blood of a patient who has recovered from COVID-19 contains antibodies with ability to fight the virus, and the recovered patient's antibodies, once ingested, will begin fighting the virus in the patient. Number 10. Telemedicine. It is the use of electronic information to communicate technologies to provide and support healthcare where distance separates the participants. It involves the use of telecom and virtual technology to deliver healthcare outside traditional health centers. It has a variety of applications in patient care, education, research, administration, and public health. Thank you.